Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and handy guide on how to delete a voice message before sending it an Instagram chat. Whether you've changed your mind or just want to avoid sending an accidental message, this step-by-step process will help you out. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages easily. Next, look for the Messages icon at the top of the page. This icon looks like a paper airplane and is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find and open the chat where you want to send a voice message. This could be a conversation with a friend or a group chat. Just tap on the thread to enter the chat. Now, it's time to record your voice message. Click on the voice recorder icon at the bottom of the chat screen. This icon typically looks like a microphone. Press and hold this icon to start recording your message. Speak clearly and ensure you say everything you want to convey. If you realize that you don't want to send the voice message after all, don't worry. Simply click on the trash icon that appears while you're recording. This action will delete your recorded message before it gets sent, allowing you to start fresh without any mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a voice message before sending it on Instagram chat. Remember, this feature is super useful for keeping your conversations clear and avoiding any potential mix-ups. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also need a little help navigating Instagram. Happy chatting!